Hi, this is Adam with the Solar Truth. I'm here today at SunPro Solar's office, this company that I helped start 12 years ago. And what we have is kind of a unique case here where we have a real life study of a system we actually installed on our own commercial office 10 years ago. And what it's showing now is, we did kind of an interesting test to provide power for our own building, but to also show people how an installation would look on a concrete tile roof and a composition shingle roof, and also show how efficient, high quality sun power panels would compare against conventional, Chinese style panels. So number one, we see the system here is a lot smaller. So these systems are basically identical in size as far as kilowatts, what you're paying for, when you pay for a system. But the production is what's different, and the size. So, and efficiency and quality and all that. So, it takes up a lot less space on a roof, about 30% less generally. And also, different manufacturers, high quality like SunPower, talk about microfracturing. This is something that they kind of show, and it might seem like a sales pitch or marketing or something, but since this system is 10 years old and we have it compared right next to another system exactly the same 10 years, we actually have exact results from this on this case study. So it's pretty cool. So let's check out these panels close up and see what's happened. So you can see here, this panel, if you look close up, you see, these thin line cracks. Now this is what's called microfracturing, and it's gonna, you're gonna lose production, and basically just, the cells aren't gonna work as well because they have cracks all over them. And I mean, it's pretty crazy. There's 4 panels here, and you have, this microfracturing, all over. There's a pretty good one there. Let's just hop up on this roof. See, there's another little one right there. So, it's not just like if this is going to happen, or a big windstorm, or, whatever. This is a pretty protected roof up here. No crazy, Southern California, no hurricanes or nothing. Not really hail. And then the SunPower cells, they look nice. There's no microfracturing on those. So, these cells all just nice and clean, 10 years later. So what we see is not only more production initially, but more production over time. So the more time goes by, the more you see like production increase, and getting more production out of the panels here. So there's lots of different factors involved in that. Microfracturing is one. Also just general degradation of lower quality panels because of the methods used in manufacturing. So yeah, the high quality panels like this, you might be paying a little bit more. Mainly you're really paying for a better warranty, but it actually is going to save you more money, because solar is really about the ROI and about savings, about production over time. You're looking at the long picture of savings, 5, 10, 15, 20 years, living at your house. So initially the warranty matters, the production initially, and the higher overproduction from a good quality panel. But then over time is very important as well as real savings. And you're talking about something that's actually going to last 40, 50 years at a pretty high production rate, as long as it's a good product, and the warranty was good to have it, if there is anything that does happen, to have it replaced or repaired in that time too, which is very uncommon with quality product like SunPower. It's around 1 in a million panels that have a warranty issue, something like that, versus like 1 in 1,000 for traditional panels. So anyway, this is Adam with the Solar Truth, and that is a microfracturing case study demonstration.